Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to cover the pricing for the Google Business Profile repair. So basically, if your profile has been suspended, I'm going to cover the pricing for this service. Now, when I first started the service, I had very inexpensive pricing, but as Google started to make things more complicated, it requires more work on my part and on your part as well if you're looking at the service. So let me go ahead and start off with the pricing for this. Now the pricing for this, I have one price. I used to have a few different tiers. Now I've just narrowed it down to one. The price is $391, and let me explain why it's this much. One of the reasons why is because this takes time. Sometimes this could take several months of emails, of gathering evidence, of doing stuff to the website, doing stuff to your Facebook page, doing stuff to off the site, like citations and things like that. So it can actually amount to a lot of work for a longer extended period of time. And while your profile is under repair, or when Google is in the appeal process, you're just sitting there and you're literally losing visibility. So I do other stuff to your website, to your Google, to your Facebook page to try and get some kind of traffic. And just to give you guys an example of this in action, I have a client now that for some reason both of his profiles, completely different states, have not been approved. They just immediately get suspended. But during the appeal process, I made him a Facebook page. I optimized his website. He's getting leads with his Facebook page now. So even though the profile is still under suspension, I still was able to do something for him at that price that got him money in return. So that's why I charged why I charge. It's because I understand your situation, and when your profile goes down, you lose traffic, which means you lose the ability to sell, which means you lose money. You're missing out on an opportunity. It's going to a competitor who probably does lower quality work. So that price includes me doing something for you besides just appealing the profile to get you results while we're waiting, because it can take several months to get that thing fixed. Also, what I've noticed with other clients lately with the Google profile is once it comes back, it's not the same. It doesn't rank the same. It doesn't get the same amount of traffic. Sometimes the reviews don't all come back. So the quality of the profile when it comes back immediately is not the same either. So just fixing your profile, getting it back up and running, in some cases, is not really going to change that lead flow problem. It might make you feel better that it's not suspended anymore, but really it may not be doing the same thing for your business as it was prior to the suspension. So hopefully this was helpful. Just to recap the price again, the price for the Google profile optimization is $391. I do not have a guarantee, but what I do have is I do have a guarantee. Actually, the guarantee is if I can't fix your profile, I'll help you create a new one. So I have a few clients that I could not fix the profile and I had to create them a new one, or we're still in that process of creating a new one. Some of them I'm waiting to hear back from, but if you're watching this and I'm waiting to hear back from you, I'm still here to help you at no extra cost to help you create a new profile. So that's what I do to try to ease the situation, because I know that this service is actually one of the most risky when you're just paying someone to fix your profile, because it's no guarantee. It's out of my hands, really. It's all in Google's hands to determine whether or not they want to put your profile back. So anyone who's telling you they can guaranteed get your profile back, for the most part, I feel like some of these people are lying, or they just have not had anything go wrong yet. So in their mind, they can guaranteed get it back. So just wanted to make that clear. This is a risky investment, so I try to make it less risky by providing value outside of that profile, so you get some money back in your pocket and you get some visibility.